Hey everyone, this is a Minecraft approach to calculus. I will be using Minecraft to teach and explain the majority, if not all, of Calculus 1, 2, and 3. Although this is the introduction video, we can still cover the essential concepts of calculus, which are the limit, derivative, and integral. Calculus is the field of study in which we can look at how things interact. Mathematically, of course. These three definitions and concepts are very crucial. Here we have raw pork chops being cooked into cooked pork chops. This represents the function y equals 1x, where the output, or the y value, is the cooked pork chops, and the input, or the x values, are the raw pork chops. The 1 in y equals 1x is represented by the coal blocks, and this is the modifier. With the number of raw pork chops near 0, we can assume there will be about 64 cooked pork chops. This is an estimation based on the modifier of the function. Such an estimation is called a limit, or an estimation of the output of a function at a certain input. We use this estimation to find the derivative, or an approximation of the rate of change between variables. Here we can find the rate of change in the number of cooked pork chops with respect to time to be 64 divided by about 2 minutes, since the rate at which they become cooked is equal to the final number of cooked pork chops divided by the time it takes. Finally, the integral is the sum of a function's output at a specific time, so it allows us to see that in 2 minutes we have 64 pork chops. This is because in 2 minutes we can count 64 cooked pork chops being produced, right? So how does this all relate to calculus? Well, given that it is the study of how things interact and react to one another, it means that these three concepts are used to help us understand how functions can be extrapolated into 2, 3, really an infinite number of other functions. And while it might be hard to understand that graphically, hopefully through Minecraft it'll be a lot easier.